Welcome back. Shifting focus now to the commodity space. Manisha Gupta is joining in, and we continue to put the spotlight on the rising crude prices, Manisha.
Oh, well, yes, that's because the overnight markets have seen further gains coming in for the crude oil prices. Well, let me remind you that last week was a 4% of gains for the Brent prices and 6.5% of gain for the US crude prices there. And we seem to be trading higher even in this week. So 65 and 67 on your screen. So it's been a good run up that we've seen come in for the crude oil prices. So much so that at $67 a barrel, it is a 7-week highs coming in for the crude price varieties there. Well, there is renewed optimism when it comes to US and China trade agreements, and the markets do believe that it could be, pardon me, a week, 10 days that we could be looking at something positive coming in from there. That seems to be supportive. The markets also are looking at the peak summer driving season demand in the Western world, US, Canada. That is where the summer vacations will soon begin. And with the way that we have seen inventories move, shows you that the demand perhaps is picking up there. Russian reaction to Ukraine attacking their air bases also seems to be adding premium to the prices. And then the markets have seen the China export grow at a 3-month lows. That perhaps could be capping some gains here, because when we look at the quantity of Chinese imports for the crude oil for the month of May, that also has been slightly on the weaker side. Having said that, the OPEC May output, though, has seen a bit of an increase there. 150,000 barrels per day is lower than what the street was anticipating or calculating, or even by the calculations that OPEC had put out. So that's yet another supporting factor there. So more supporting factors, and the fact that the US dollar index is trading slightly on the weaker side has added impetus for the prices to go up.
Thank you very much for that. We will slip into a very short break. On the other side, Abneesh Roy of Nuvama Institutional Equities will join in. Stay tuned.